Hello, in this video I will show you how to quickly add a sky to your scene. Let's jump to the shading panel and let's switch to the world tab. So right now I don't have anything, as you can see, it's just gray. I will press Shift A, texture, sky texture, and connect it to the color of the background. And immediately we can see that we have a procedural dynamic sky going on. Let's change some parameters. First of all, you have three different methods. The first one, pretem. Then you have Hosequilki and Nishita. Nishita is the best, and so I recommend using this. You can enable and disable the sun. As you can see, now we only have the sky and then we add the sun. So this is like adding a light and sun. It's almost the same. You can change the size of the sun to make the shadow softer or harder. We can change the intensity. So right now it's very powerful, but I can set it to 0.5 like this. And then we have the sun elevation and sun rotation. Let's change the rotation first. As you can see, now we have the sun on the right. We can change the elevation. Let's say, I don't know, 90. Okay, let's leave it to 8 degrees more or less. Altitude is the distance from the sea level. So if you are rendering like a scene on the beach, you can leave it to 0 meters. But if you are rendering an aerial view and you are like 2 kilometers above, you can set it to 2000 or 2 kilometers like this. Then you have the air, dust and ozone option. Air 0 means no air, so you are in a vacuum like space. 1 means like clear day. 2, it's a polluted sky, and the more you increase it, more pollution will be generated. So let's leave it to 1. Dust, same thing. 0 means no dust in the atmosphere. 1 is like clear day, but if you increase it to the maximum, you have a lot of dust. Let's leave it to 1. Ozone, 0, no ozone. So if you want to create a space scene, you set everything to 0 and you are in space. If you set it to 2, sky will become bluer. Let's take a look at the shadow. So 1, I don't know if you can see it, but if I set it to 0, it's like grayish. If I set it to 5, it becomes very, very blue. I leave it to 1. Okay, so this is basically it. If you want to quickly create a natural environment, the sky texture node may be an option. Of course, it's not like an HDRI, but I think the quality is quite good. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, to support the channel, subscribe to stay up to date with the latest contents. If you have any question, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.